Hello everyone, I am Bharti Budhiraja. Now we will be taking up the question answers of chapter 8 of Beehive, Reach for the Top. We have already done part 1 and part 2. Part 1 talked about Santosh Yadav, the greatest mountaineer, the only woman who has climbed the mountain Mount Everest twice, and part 2 talked about Maria Sharapova, the best woman tennis player of the world. So these are the question answers of that. First of all, we will take up the first part. Answer these questions in 1 or 2 sentences each. The paragraph number within brackets provide clues to the answers. Why was the holy man who gave Santosh's mother his blessing surprised? तो वो क्यों surprised था? अगर आपको याद हो chapter कि when her mother was about to give birth to her, a holy man came to their house और उसने ये सोचा कि जैसे बाकी सब लोग मांगते हैं, they would also ask for a सन, लेकिन उनकी ग्रैंडमदर जो थी उन्होंने कहा नहीं, हमें एक सन नहीं डॉटर चाहिए. सो वाई वॉज द होली मैन हु गेव संतोष मदर अ ब्लेसिंग सरप्राइज्ड? बिकॉज द फैमिली डिमांडेड फॉर अ डॉटर एंड नॉट अ सन. So this was the reason why the holy man was surprised. Give an example to show that even as a young girl, Santosh was not ready to accept anything unreasonable. तो ऐसी क्या example हैं जो बताते हैं कि संतोष was not ready to accept anything unreasonable. जो उसका नाम था संतोष, he was never satisfied with what she had. तो इसका आंसर ये है कि what is the example that when other girls wore traditional dresses, she wore shorts. ठीक है. Why was Santosh sent to local school? Why was she sent to local school? They could afford to send her to a big school in Delhi, but as the tradition of the village, या हम बोल सकते हैं कम्युनिटी, दे सेंट हर टू लोकल स्कूल. तो गर्ल्स जो थी वो अलाउड नहीं थी ऐसे बाहर जाके पढ़ने के लिए, देयरफॉर दे सेंट हर टू लोकल स्कूल इन द विलेज. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हेन डिड शी लीव फ्रॉम दिल्ली एंड व्हाई? When she was 16 years old, and why? To take her higher studies. Why did Santosh's parents agree to pay for her schooling in Delhi? What mental qualities of Santosh are brought into light by this incident? तो क्या रीज़न था उन्होंने अग्री किया? अगर आपको याद हो, वो चली गई थी अपने घर से, she got herself enrolled in the school, but the family said no, we will not be paying for your fees. तो उसने क्या किया? She sent a polite request. She sent a polite letter saying she will take up a job for school fees. तो तब उसके पेरेंट्स को लगा नो, वी विल नॉट अलाउ दिस, सो दे अग्रीड टू पे फीस फॉर हर. What qualities are depicted from here from the incident? That she is smart, intelligent, brave, self-sufficient, कि उसको ये लगा कि नहीं दे रहे पेरेंट्स तो कोई बात नहीं, शी फाउंड अ सोल्यूशन टू इट कि आई एम गोइंग टू वर्क. Okay, now answer the following in these questions in short paragraph. How did Santosh begin to climb the mountains? She was, if you remember, इसका आंसर क्या था? She was impressed by the villagers. She was impressed by the villagers who climbed the Aravali hills. ठीक है? And then she went to the that place, and then she found a group of mountaineers who invited her, who told her that why don't you join our group, and she readily agreed. What incidents during the Everest expedition shows Santosh's concern for her teammates? तो यहाँ पे हम बोलेंगे saved two fellow climbers. एक को तुम बोलोगे, one you will say she tried to save but unsuccessfully he died unfortunately. The second one, Mr. Manoj Singh, she saved by sharing her own oxygen cylinder with him, so she was able to save. What shows her concern for the environment? The 500 kg garbage which she brought down when she climbed up the mountain. Okay, तो इसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे that the 500 kg garbage जो वो लाई थी. How does she describe her feeling at the summit of the Everest? कैसे वो बताती है? That proud Indian, she was a proud Indian. She felt as if she has reached the pinnacle of everything. She has reached at the top. She says that it is this enormous. If you remember the line which was there, the enormity of the experience cannot sink inside. I can't believe I have done such a great thing. And when she unfurled the flag of India, she became a proud Indian. Santosh Yadav got into record books both times she scaled Mount Everest. What were the reasons for this? First time क्या था? First woman to climb Mount Everest. ये first उसमें था. Second expedition में क्या हुआ? The only woman to climb Mount Everest twice. ठीक है, तो ये आंसर हो गया हमारा सेकेंड का. अब ये छोटे से क्वेश्चन है जिसको हम ओरली जल्दी से कर लेते हैं. From her room in Kasturba Hostel, Santosh used to see the Aravali hills. When she finished college, Santosh had to write a letter of apology for her father because she had enrolled into the mountaineering club in Uttarkashi. During the Everest expedition, her seniors in the team admired her for what? Admired her for physical endurance, strong will and mental toughness. ठीक है. While Dash endured her fellow climbers, her friendly nature. ठीक है. Okay. Now we move on to some extra questions which I have prepared for you. Let's quickly look at them. What kind of society was Santosh Yadav born in? How was her grandmother different from others? इसका आंसर क्या बनेगा? What kind of society was Santosh Yadav born in? First answer to this is a very, हम यूज कर सकते हैं conservative and orthodox village of Haryana. You can even name the village if you remember. How was the grandmother different from others? Her grandmother was different. As she asked for a granddaughter from the holy man and not a grandson. ठीक है? So this is what her grandmother was different from. Next, why did Santosh want to fight the system? वो system से क्यों fight करना चाहती थी? She wanted to fight the system as she believed, उसका जो motto था that if she is right or on correct path, she will not change, others have to change. ठीक है? She will not change, others have to change. What motivated Santosh to mountain climbing? The Aravalli hills. इसको आप explain कर दोगे कि कैसे hills करते थे? She was determined to when she saw the Aravalli hills, she was fascinated by them. When she saw the villagers climbing, she used to like it. And when she went there and found a group of mountaineers, she wanted to join them. What was the secret of Santosh's success? That she never gave up. She was never satisfied or content. उसको हमेशा एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए था. If she was getting education, she wanted the best education. If she was doing the mountaineering, she wanted the best. It was not that सिर्फ mountains climb करके she was okay. She wanted to climb the Mount Everest, and not only once but twice. So ये सारी चीज़ें बताती हैं that she is never satisfied, and that is what she succeeded because of. What made Santosh scale the mountain second time? How was it important? She scaled the Mount Everest when she joined the Indo-Nepalese group. ठीक है? And what was it? How was it important? She became the only woman to climb Mount Everest twice. ठीक है? तो ये रीज़न है. What surprised the traveling holy man? Did his blessings work? What did he surprise? ये हमने उसमें किया था चैप्टर वाले क्वेश्चंस में. What surprised the holy man? That the family wanted a daughter instead of a son. Did his blessing work? Yes, his blessings worked. When Santosh was born after 5 sons. ठीक है? तो ये हो गया हमारा आंसर. What happened when Santosh's parents refused to pay her fees? तो she did not fight. She did not fight, but politely told her parents that she would do a part-time job to earn her school fees. Okay, and listening to this, the parents agree. Why did Maria not react against the humiliation at the hands of other athletes? क्यों नहीं react करती थी? Because she felt it was making her strong. She is learning to be mentally tough. Never give up. ठीक है? Why does Maria call herself totally Russian? Because she was born in Siberia and she had a deep Russian nationality. और ये कैसे पता चलता है हमें? When she says that if Russia wants me to play for Russia tennis, I am ready to play. How are Maria's achievements significant? That she moved on from a poor village girl to the #1 woman tennis player. ठीक है? What does Maria declare her mantra of success? क्या था? I love what I do and try to do my best and reach the top. ठीक है? तो ये हो गया इसका आंसर. Next question. Maria's parents played an important role in her success. How? Father, if you remember, Father Yuri took her to America for training. ठीक है? Then worked hard. Worked hard for it and worked hard and earned to pay for her training. ठीक है? Then mother agreed to stay back for 2 years. ठीक है? Detail some hobbies of Maria Sharapova. What were her hobbies? Singing, dancing, and reading novels. Okay? Maria possesses some contradictory characteristics. What are they? They are: she is in love with sophistication and she also enjoys what a teenager likes. Okay, example: pancakes, chocolates and orange drinks. ठीक है? So these are the things which tell us that she had contradictory achievements. Now we move on to some RTC based questions which I have prepared for you. From the beginning I was quite determined that if I chose a correct and rational path, the others around me had to change, not me. Who speaks these words? कौन है इसकी speaker? संतोष यादव. ठीक है? What was the speaker's approach towards making choices? That if I am on right path, then I will not change. People have to change. ठीक है? How was the speaker able to change those around her? She was able to change their thoughts about education of गर्ल्स. जब वो खुद जाके पढ़ती है, शी इज सेटिंग एन एग्जाम्पल फॉर द विलेज कि कोई भी जाके पढ़ सकता है. वॉट लाइट डू वी थ्रो अबाउट दिस स्पीकर? रिबेलियस, नेवर सैटिस्फाइड, brave enough to take challenges. Okay, next. So she decided to fight the system in her own quiet way, and when the right moment arrived, the right moment came when she turned 16. ये है संतोष यादव के बारे में. जब वो 16 years की जाती है, till then she was ready to study in that school which the parents had put in, but after that she decided, no, I have to rebel. Who is she in this extract and which system is she decided to fight? She is Santosh Yadav. Then who is what system? System of Orthodox Society. ठीक है, जो सोसाइटी थी उनकी, विलेज था, उसका जो सिस्टम था उसकी बात कर रहे हैं. हाउ एंड वाई डिड शी डिसाइड टू फाइट द सिस्टम? बाय गेटिंग हायर एजुकेशन. ठीक है, शी फेल्ट थ्रू एजुकेशन शी कैन फाइट दीज थिंग्स. What was the right moment? What did she do to at this moment? That right moment was when she turned 16. ठीक है, और what was the way? What did she do? That what did she do at this moment? Refused to get married at 16. Like other girls. What did she do next? Went for higher education. ठीक है, next. I had to write a letter of apology to my father, without whose permission I had got myself enrolled in Uttarkashi. Who is the speaker here? Why did she have to write a letter of apology to her father? Again Santosh Yadav. Why did she have to write the letter? As she had enrolled at Uttarkashi. Kashi, at Uttarkashi Mountaineering School. ठीक है. Where had she enrolled herself and why? She had enrolled herself at Nehru School of Mountaineering to get training for mountain climbing. ठीक है. Why didn't she seek her father's permission before getting enrolled? She knew he would refuse. She knew he would refuse. What light does this extract reflect on the speaker's character? She is bold and brave. She is independent and determined. Okay. Next. That trip to Florida with her father Yuri launched her on the path of success and stardom, but it also required a heart-wrenching 2-year separation from her mother Yelena. Who does her refer to in this extract? Who is her? Maria Sharapova. From where did she make her trip to Florida and why? From Siberia for tennis training. What was the heart-wrenching thing about the trip? That her mother had to stay back. She could not accompany. Okay. Why could her mother not accompany her? Because of visa restrictions. Next. Instead of letting that depress me, I became more quietly determined and mentally tough. Who does I stand for? Same answer, Maria Sharapova. What was that which could not depress her? The insult and humiliation. The insult and humiliation she got from her seniors. What was the impact of that on her? She became mentally strong. She became mentally strong. Okay. What does the extract reveal about speaker's character? Patient, tolerant, bold. Okay. Next. I think the last one. Few would grudge her the riches she was now reaping. Who does she refer to? Again the player, tennis player Maria. How is she reaping the riches? How is she reaping? Because she is a successful tennis player. Why would few grudge her riches? As she has struggled greatly to achieve the top rank. Okay, as she has struggled greatly to achieve the top rank, everybody knows that she has done a lot of hard work, so they don't grudge her, they are not jealous of her, rather they appreciate her for her achievements. Why has the word reaping been used for riches? ये हमने डिस्कशन में भी किया था. Reaping means harvest. So like crops are harvested, or the result of the hard work the farmer does, same way the hard work which she has done has brought or harvested a lot of money for her. Okay, now we move on to the next questions, some long ones. Okay. Just have a look at the long questions. I always do two types of long questions. One is thematic and the other one is the value based or the long question. What qualities in Santosh Yadav helped her to get into the book record books both times she conquered the Mount Everest? What values can one learn from her? ये दो टाइप के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, एक वैल्यू बेस्ड या फिर लॉन्ग आंसर थीम बेस्ड, और एक मैं आपको हमेशा कराती हूँ द इमेजिन क्वेश्चन, इमेजिन यू आर वन ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स. तो इसी टाइप से दो क्वेश्चन इसके फटाफट कर लेते हैं. व्हाट क्वालिटीज ऑफ संतोष यादव हेल्प्ड हर टू गेट इनटू दिस? परसीवियरेंस, टॉलरेंस, rebellious, different from traditional. ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या है? Different from traditional. Then you have never satisfied or content, brave and bold, ready to take challenges, ठीक है. सो ऑल दीज को परसिवियरेंस क्यों? शी नेवर गिव अप. टॉलरेंस क्यों? इतनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हुई लाइफ में, इतने सारे रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हुए, बट स्टिल शी वाज एबल टू मैनेज. रिबेलियस, व्हाई रिबेलियस? बिकॉज शी वाज एबल टू रिबेल अगेंस्ट द सिस्टम ऑफ द सोसाइटी. उसने कहा इफ आई एम राइट पीपल हैव टू चेंज, नॉट मी. डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ट्रेडिशनल, इसमें हम एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं. हाउ फ्रॉम द वेरी चाइल्डहुड व्हेन द गर्ल्स वोर ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेसेस शी वुड वेयर शॉर्ट्स. नेवर सेटिस्फाइड और कंटेंट, वो कभी भी खुश नहीं होती थी, उसको हमेशा और चाहिए होता था. दैट इज़ वाई शी वॉज एबल टू अचीव सो मच. ब्रेव एंड बोल्ड, अगेन ब्रेव इनफ टू वर्क alone, stay alone, get herself enrolled in the mountaineering group alone. So all these show the brave and bold things. Ready to take challenges, she is ready to take up. Once she has climbed the mountain, again she was climbing again. फिर उसके बाद helpful to her fellow climbers. Then fervent environmentalist. एक और ऐड कर देते हैं यहाँ पे, पेट्रियोटिक. तो ये हो गई संतोष यादव की क्वालिटीज. वॉज इट मनी Not her dream of becoming number one in one of the world that motivated Maria to play tennis? No, it was not money, but becoming number one, becoming number one or reach the top. So this was the reason. तो आप इसको elaborate करेंगे. So what was the personality trait that she never compromised on it? कैसे उसने अपनी insults, humiliation, इन सब चीज़ों को she took it as a challenge, she took it as a thing which made her more mentally strong, physical endurance. ये सारी qualities हम लिखेंगे उसकी, that how she achieved. एक जल्दी से last question ले लेते हैं. Imagine you are Maria Sharapova या संतोष यादव. ठीक है. Write a speech to be addressed in a girls' athletic academy encouraging the girls to reach for the top. ठीक है. अगर आपके पास ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है जहाँ पे मरिया शरापोवा या संतोष यादव, एनी वन ऑफ देम यू कैन गेट, हैज़ टू गिव अ स्पीच एड्रेस टू द गर्ल्स एथलेटिक अकेडमी, जहाँ पे आप इनकरेज कर रहे हो, सो यू विल टेल देम इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन, determination and hard work. ठीक है. देन फिजिकल इंड्योरेंस. अब हम सारे पॉइंट्स कंबाइन कर लेंगे, उसके लिए अलग नहीं, उसके लिए अलग नहीं, सारे पॉइंट्स कवर करेंगे. अगर मरिया शरापोवा आता है, वो भी फिजिकली बहुत टफ थी, मेंटली बहुत टफ थी. संतोष यादव आता है, शी इज़ ऑल्सो टफ, शी वॉज ऑल्सो डिटर्मिन्ड एंड हार्ड वर्किंग. सो फिजिकल एंड्योरेंस की इम्पोर्टेंस, मेंटल टफनेस अपने अपने तरीके से. अगर हम मारिया शरापोवा हैं, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंसल्ट्स एंड ह्यूमिलिएशंस, जो मुझे रिस्ट्रिक्शंस थी वो कैसे हुई. अगर हम संतोष यादव हैं तो हाउ आई बिकेम मेंटली टफ, मेंटल टफनेस कैसे आई मेरे में, पेरेंट्स के, हाउ आई बिकेम इंडिपेंडेंट, रोल ऑफ पेरेंट्स. ठीक है. तो ये पॉइंट्स कवर करके हम अपना आंसर बनाएंगे. वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट अबाउट द अचीवमेंट्स, जो हमारी अचीवमेंट्स है उसके बारे में हम उनको बता सकते हैं. गाइड देम टू बी ऑन राइट पाथ. Okay, then you can talk about future of girls no less than boys. तो ऐसे वाले क्वेश्चंस अगर आते हैं, इमेजिन यू आर वन ऑफ द कैरेक्टर, दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू डू. इफ़ यू गेट इमेजिन यू आर मारिया शरापोवा हु इज़ 10 years old एंड अलोन इन द हॉस्टल, उसके बारे में बन सकता है आंसर. इफ़ यू गेट इमेजिन यू आर संतोष यादव एंड यू आर गोइंग टू उत्तरकाशी फॉर द माउंटेनियरिंग क्लब एंड राइट द अपॉलजी लेटर टू योर फादर टेलिंग अबाउट दैट, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. सो वन ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स कुड बी गिवन टू यू एंड यू कुड बी गिवन अ क्वेश्चन टू इमेजिन. तो बस इतना याद रखा करो, उस टाइम पे यू हैव टू थिंक इन टर्म्स ऑफ दैट पर्सन, आप वो कैरेक्टर हो और जितना उस कैरेक्टर को पता है उतना ही उसके आंसर में लिखना है. So we've taken up short answers, we've taken up the RTC questions, and I have given you a clue of all the long answers, two types of long answers, theme based and extrapolatory, that is the imagine questions. So we are through with the chapter. See you next time. Thank you.